the project is working now. So this is a charger where they usually charge it. You get it has charger where you can charge your phone, about 2 ports. Then this place is also where you can also plug some of your appliances like television or fan or charger. This place is space where you can be able to charge this system, and these two terminal is where you can connect it to external battery, like you have another battery that you want to use to back up the battery inside here. So you can tap out wire and set it up to another battery. Then this place also, you can see these are the fan. These are the cooling fan that cool the system inside it. Then this is also an output. All this one is for bulb. If you want to connect bulb, DC bulb to them, this is the space. So now this is the meter. You can see smart fast charger. This meter now, what this meter does now is this meter charge the battery inside. This meter will tell you the particular voltage and the percentage and current that is charging in is charging in this battery, the battery that is inside. You understand? So this is meter. This meter shows the percentage meter and the battery percentage and the voltage percentage. Then this place now, this place will tell you that a AC light is on. What I mean by AC is alternating current, a kind of current where you can use it to power fan, all these appliances, AC appliances stuff. If you on this place now, you can see that you can use this place to charge your phone. I've on it now. If you touch here now, it will really shock you. If you touch it, it will really shock you. Then I'm owning this now. This place now, so you can use this place to charge your phone. You can see the battery percentage. You can also see it. Then you can this place now, when it's charging now, it will be showing you current here. Then it will be showing you percentage and the voltage level that is charging here. You can see that it's making noise. This noise that is making here is this fan now that is cooling this system. You can see. So this is how it works. You can see as it is now. It's currently working now. As it is now, it's currently working.